Now what we do, we mix our own chicken feed. And then we kind of, as we go, we had ChatGPT make us a formula, and a 100-pound formula. And then we're gonna keep doing that with every ingredient. You be the stir guy. How much? 31? Jeez.
16.
That's good. We just mixed everything together. This is our herbs we throw into the feed whenever we ferment it. It's just to add to their health. We put some cayenne pepper in there. We put some garlic, nettle, peppermint. We put thyme, oregano. We put a little bit of everything just because of the health benefits for the chickens. I want to be known for having the healthiest chickens, for having the best tasting chickens, for having the best eggs. So this is where I make that happen with their feed. You have to feed chickens correctly. You can't give them corn and soy. You can't pump them full of pesticide feed that you get from Tractor Supply and wherever else. So I take this serious, as you can see. I know it's probably a little overboard to make a whole tote just for my chicken feed, but just makes it easier. It's a one-time, and now it goes back to the farm. I scoop 4 scoops into the fermenting bucket, put some water in it, and then it sits for 3 days. So that's pretty much it. Thank you, Stumbo Stampede, for coming back and seeing our chicken feed setup here. God bless you guys. You're gonna make me turn into Fonzie here.
Okay, good.
All done. All done.